Today we learn a simple solution to the TWS earbuds problem. The problem is right side of the TWS not working after update. Solution of this problem is firstly the earbuds must be placed neatly inside the case on both the right and left sides. Then press the power button on the case for 20 seconds. The first white light on the earbud will turn on, then the red light will turn off. After connecting the earbuds to the mobile phone, your problem will be solved. Subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.